Goldmorr USA Presents, How Do You Know? Hi, I'm Bret Sallee. I'm the national trainer with Goldmorr USA. Welcome to How Do You Know? The series where we challenge assumptions and ask better questions about mold remediation, indoor air quality, and building science. Today, we're going to look at one of the biggest cost drivers in mold remediation. How do you know demolition is actually necessary? Every day, contractors are faced with difficult decisions. Should this drywall come out? Does this insulation need to be replaced? Should this cabinet be removed and disposed of? Those decisions have real consequences. More demolition means more labor, more reconstruction, more disruption for the property owner. And less demolition is not necessarily the best answer either. The goal isn't to remove the most material. The goal is to solve the actual problem. That's why the first question shouldn't be, what should I tear out? It should be, what information do I have? Before making demolition decisions, consider questions like, where is the contamination located? What type of material is involved? What condition is the material in? Has moisture affected its structural integrity? Can contamination be effectively removed? Is replacement actually necessary? These aren't questions that are answered by assumptions. They're answered through assessment. Sometimes demolition is absolutely the correct decision. Sometimes selective removal is appropriate. Sometimes cleaning and remediation may be sufficient. Every building is different. Every project deserves to be evaluated on its own conditions. One of the biggest mistakes we can make is assuming that every project requires the same approach. Professional remediation isn't about following habits. It's about making informed decisions. That's one of the core ideas behind Goldmorr. We teach professionals to gather information first, then decide on the most appropriate course of action. Because unnecessary demolition costs everyone. Miscontamination costs everyone. Thoughtful assessment helps reduce both. The next time you're standing in front of visible mold, don't ask, what should I remove? Ask, how do I know if demolition is actually necessary? I'm Bret Sallee. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy evidence-based education that helps remediation professionals think before they act, subscribe to the channel. And join me next week for another episode of How Do You Know? Because better questions lead to better remediation.